How to replace end fitting on a garden hose. Learn how to fix a broken end fitting. LSI Global Greens. Overview. You will need tools and a replacement end fitting. You can find a replacement fitting at most hardware or garden stores. Determine the size of your hose. Most hoses are 7/16, 3/4, or 5/8 inch. Measure and write down the size of your hose or take it to the hardware store to get the right size fitting. You can take a piece of your hose to the store with you if it is broken and needs to be removed. This helps you get the right size and fitting. Why learn about this? Garden hoses break. Lawnmowers, garden tools, and farm equipment can break hoses. End fittings can get run over or stepped on. End fittings can get old and worn out. You can fix the hose with a new end fitting. The new end fitting fixed this hose. Vocabulary. End fitting or a replacement fitting can be used to replace an end fitting that is damaged. It comes as a female or male fitting. Clamps are used to secure the end fitting and prevent leaking. The female fitting connects to the water source. The male fitting connects to attachments like hoses or sprinklers. You will need end fitting and clamps. You can buy these together. Shears. You can use a knife. Shears make a straighter cut. Ratchet or flathead screwdriver. Use these to loosen the clamps. You need a 3/4 inch hose mender for this 3/4 inch hose. You can fix a hose that was run over by a lawnmower. Do you need a female or male end fitting? The male end fitting is not damaged. You need a female end fitting for this hose. The female fitting is the one that fits the spigot or water source. You need a 3/4 inch female end fitting for this hose. Cut the damaged part of the hose with shears. Depending on your hose size, you might need heavy-duty shears or a hose cutting tool. The cut must be straight. If the cut is not straight, the end fitting will leak. Cut an inch or more from the damaged area. Loosen the clamp with a ratchet or screwdriver. Put the clamp on the end of the hose. The clamp is loosened and on the edge of the hose. Push the end fitting into the hose as far as it will go. Put the hose in the sun to loosen it up if it is hard to put the end fitting into the hose. Use a wrench to grip the fitting. Wear gloves with sticky palms to grip the fitting. Tighten the clamp with a screwdriver or ratchet. Put the clamp 1/2 inch from the end fitting. This stops any leaking. You're all done. Connect the hose to a water source and turn the water on. Check the end fitting for leaks. This hose is ready for the garden. Remember to keep your hose safe from damage. Roll it up and store it in a safe place. Roll up and store your hoses. Comprehension questions. 1. What are the tools you need to do this job? How will you know what kind of end fitting to buy? Explain to your friend how to attach a new end fitting. Acknowledgements. Funded by the Office for Partnerships and Public Engagement at the USDA. Text and photos by Sam Miller at LSI Global Greens. edited and produced by ISCD Solutions, protected by Creative Commons license.